Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ms.K and I am here with a hair tutorial. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, as well as everyone please turn on your notification buttons. That bell is somewhere around here. Make sure that you hit it so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Please make sure that you are keeping up with me on Twitter, Instagram, and on Facebook. I did this hairstyle using a braidless crochet method, and this is the Jamican Bounce hair that I used. I ordered this from Sam's Beauty. Everything that I used to create this hairstyle will be in the description box below. You guys, please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, comment, and share this video. Until the next time, bye guys.